This is the boat that came in. The owner said that he was smelling some gas in the bilge. And so that's where it is right now. It's got a new sending unit. It's got a new pickup tube. It had 2 pickup tubes in the tank because they broke the first one and then the second one corroded. So we've put our new pickup into the tank and sealed the hole they drilled in the tank. The wires are new wires because I'll show you the sending wire and the ground wire that's completely corroded, and I'll show you that's got a new hose right there going to the fuel water separator, and I'll show you that hose also that's been replaced. So it should not leak again, and then he won't have gas in his bilge like he has. I don't even know where to start. I guess this would be the original pickup that came in the tank. And I guess someone was going to try to replace the anti-siphon valve in the original pickup and broke it off and said, oh, we'll just put another pickup in there. So this is the pickup that was in his tank. So they just drilled a hole in the tank, threaded it in, and just dropped that down in the tank. I've never seen anything done quite like that. But that's probably still not the leak, because the anti-siphon valve on that pickup was that anti-siphon valve. So that anti-siphon valve was in that pickup. You see it's corroded. Yeah, just like that. And this is a hose that was on there. Just like that. With it. I mean, yeah, I was just in awe. And here the wires that went from it. We couldn't even get any. That's why we had to run new wires. I've never seen wires that have corroded all the way down. I mean, we just couldn't get a wire that wasn't green. So we just replaced the ground and the sending unit wire. That's the sending unit that we pulled out and replaced. That went with that pickup, and they had that in line on his fuel line, which that's in originally part of the boat, so we didn't put an inline filter on there. So those are the parts that we replaced, and now he shouldn't have a leak.